Pauline. Welcome to this one-bedroom condo in the heart of Richmond district. Let me show you around. This rarely available corner unit is flooded with natural lights. Its open floor plan is the perfect place to host an intimate gathering. With low HOA, in-building laundry, deeded parking, and convenience to restaurants, shops, Golden Gate Park, and many museums, this home is ready for its new owner. This is Pauline Ha, your San Francisco Bay Area real estate advisor. Reach out today to schedule a private tour.